What's going on, guys? To continue with the super easy Crosstrek installs, I got another one coming for you. Today we're gonna be installing this bad boy. What is this boy? It's from Kartboy. So what exactly the hell is this thing? This is a dead pedal cover. The dead pedal is all the way to the left next to the clutch, or all the way to the left next to the brake pedal. And that's where your foot rests, hence the dead pedal. This basically gets rid of the crappy plastic looking ugly piece of crap and replaces it with a beautiful billet piece of aluminum with some black rivets. That was my phone, my adoring fans, because I just posted about this on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, follow that shit right now. Also, while you're at it, check out Kartboy right here and pick this up as well, because we're about to install this in under 30 seconds. I'll show you how. As you can see, that's the brake pedal, that's the dead pedal. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't even count. Take a new pedal, take those old pop rivets, and done. I'd say that looks a little bit better than this. Get rid of it and upgrade to a Kartboy aluminum dead pedal. Available now. As you guys can tell, it looks a lot better than the factory piece. There's no real performance gains. It's more one of those cosmetic things, and that's completely okay to accept that you spent money on a cosmetic thing. Look at my Forester build, for instance. It's mostly cosmetic, it's slow as hell. This is such an awesome piece. It's like 1/4 inch thick aluminum, the nice rivets. You can get different colors. You can get a black one with silver rivets, and every once in a while, if you follow him on Instagram, he does random color combinations, which is really, really cool. As well as if you email him, he might make you a custom one too. But awesome, big thank you to Kartboy for sending this on over for the install. Thank you guys so much for watching the quick, easy install. So far, all the installs on Crosstrek have been super easy, including the lift kit that you guys are gonna see the video on next. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.